In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Notion Premium. Start by opening your browser and heading to Notion's homepage. Once you're there, look for the Login button, typically in the top right corner, and click it. On the login screen, choose the Google option to continue. When the Google prompt appears, select the account you want to use and complete the sign-in. If you see a quick confirmation window, just follow the on-screen prompts to proceed. After you're in, make sure you're in the correct workspace. At the top of the Notion window, find the workspace name and click the small drop-down next to it. From that menu, choose Settings. This opens the settings panel for your current workspace and is where all the administrative controls live. In the left sidebar of the settings panel, navigate to the Access and Billing section. This is the central place for managing your plan, invoices, and seat count. If you manage more than one workspace, double-check the workspace name at the top so you don't upgrade the wrong one. Also, note that some options may only appear if you have the right permissions, so you might need admin access here. Next, click Upgrade Plan. You'll now see the plan selector. To understand what each plan includes, click through the options to compare them side by side. Click Free to review the baseline features. Then click Plus to see what's added for growing use cases such as more collaboration capacity and higher limits. Click Business to explore advanced team features designed for larger groups and more control. Finally, click Enterprise to view the most robust security, administration, and compliance capabilities for organizations. Take a moment to scan what changes as you move through Free, Plus, Business, and Enterprise so you can match the plan to your needs. If there's a monthly versus annual toggle, use it to preview pricing and savings. This doesn't commit you yet, it just helps you evaluate. Once you've decided which plan fits, click the Upgrade button beneath that plan. At this point, Notion will guide you through any remaining details, things like confirming your billing cycle, the number of members or seats you want to include, and your payment information. When you finish, your workspace will switch to the selected premium plan. You can always return to Access and Billing to manage seats, view invoices, or adjust your plan later. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully navigated to the right workspace, explored the plan options, and upgraded to Notion Premium.